Good morning. My name is Ernest Ampuma Benefo. Today I'm presenting Reconnect, a secure digital platform designed to transform alumni networks into engines of economic and professional opportunity across Ghana and Africa. Vision and mission. The ambition is guided by a clear vision to become the premier trusted and inclusive alumni digital commerce ecosystem in Africa. To achieve this, our mission is to connect verified alumni through a secure platform that supports networking, mentorship, career development, and e-commerce, all in one place. This platform is developed by a multidisciplinary team with expertise in technology, compliance, and user-centered design. Now, this mission exists because of a clear problem. Across Ghana and Africa, alumni engagement is largely informal and fragmented. After graduation, professional connections are weakened, opportunities are lost, and institutions struggle to maintain meaningful alumni relationships. At the same time, e-commerce adoption faces persistent challenges: low trust, fragmented payment systems, and weak customer support. Together, these issues limit participation and slow inclusive digital growth. Reconnect is designed as a direct response to these challenges. We bring identity verification, trusted alumni communities, and secure digital commerce into a single platform. By operating within verified academic networks, Reconnect reduces risk, improves accountability, and creates an environment where users can interact and transact with confidence. This approach delivers value in three clear ways. First, trust. Users are verified through recognized institutions. Secondly, security. Personal and financial data are protected using established safeguards. Third, social capital. Alumni connections are converted into real professional and economic opportunities. These elements work together to strengthen user confidence and engagement. To support this value proposition, Recommerce follows a phased and disciplined spending model. Year 1 focuses on platform development, security implementation, partnerships, and operational setup. This ensures the platform reaches TRL 6.7 before any large-scale expansion, reducing risk and strengthening readiness. Once the platform is operational, revenue generation follows naturally. Reconnect earns revenue through premium subscriptions, marketplace transactions, commissions, and institutional licenses. As adoption increases, these streams grow steadily, supporting financial stability by 2 years. Importantly, revenue is diversified. Premium plans unlock advanced features. Transactional fees capture value from alumni to alumni commerce. Institutional licenses formalize partnerships with universities. Sponsorships provide targeted engagement for aligned organizations. This balance strengthens resilience and reduces dependence on any single cause. Growth strategy. Sustaining this model requires a structured growth strategy. Product development prioritizes usability and trust. Marketing leverages alumni associations and institutional credibility. Sales focuses on partnerships and tiered offerings. Customer service blends automation with human support. Each pillar refines the others as the platform scales. Growth is implemented in phases. We launch in Ghana, where mobile money adoption and digital readiness are strong. From there, we expand into selected West African and East African markets, adopting payments, logistics, and onboarding to local conditions. This ensures scalability without sacrificing accessibility. As we scale, operational reliability remains critical. Logistics are managed through delivery partnerships, including last-mile solutions, payment support, mobile money, cards, and digital wallets. Security is enforced through encryption, access controls, and continuous monitoring. These measures address the most common causes of e-commerce failures. All of this comes together in a structured user journey. The user registers and completes the academic profile. They submit verification details for approval. Once verified, they gain full access to networking, jobs, events, and commerce. Trust is reinforced at every step. Within the platform, transactions are simple and transparent. Sellers list goods or services clearly. Buyers browse, pay securely, and track transactions. Every transaction is logged and traceable, supporting accountability. This experience is protected by role-based access. Systems administrators manage the platform. University administrators verify alumni and oversee content. Verified alumni access full features. Regular users participate socially and progress towards verification. This structure balances openness with control. In summary, Reconnect is secure, it's scalable, and aligned with Africa's digital realities. It strengthens trust, expands access, and supports sustainable economic participation. With the support of the African Digital Fund, Reconnect is ready to scale responsibly across the continent. Thank you, and I welcome your questions. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Reconnect demo, where we're going to look at how the platform actually works. So I'm going to register a new user, and we're going to start from there. So we're going to just use a name. Let's just. So once we have this checked, we're just going to click to log in. And here we see the home page. With the home page, we're able to interact with users' posts. Everything that is posted by a user appears here. Comments on some people's posts as well. We'll share that. So on the right-hand side, we get to keep track of upcoming events, job opportunities that have been posted, and the market space. And clicking on these leads to the various places. So we'll explore those as we visit every aspect of this program on the navigation bar. So connections, this is basically where we're able to keep track of our connections. Now, for a user to be able to send another user a connection, what they simply have to do is to what they simply have to do is to search for a person, anyone at all, and then indicates that they want to connect. So they send a connection request. So they can also keep track of their sent connection requests here. So if you can see, this is just here waiting for the person to approve it. So we'll sign in and approve it and then come back and look at this later. Okay, so groups, this is where the person gets to interact with other users in a group, and this is restricted. The person is not seeing this because he hasn't been verified yet. So we'll do that shortly. Once the person is verified, he will be automatically added to the group that he belongs to. So now here the events area, as we mentioned, also marketplace. Marketplace, this is basically where users are able to purchase products from other users. So just to examine how it works. So if we've selected one item so far and indicated that's 2, so it's 13, we'll just do this to see how this works. So there's a checkout and then also just an API to simulate the payments process. So either card or mobile money. And once this completes, the user would receive an email. Okay, the one who posted the items would receive the email of whoever who's supposed to be paid will receive an email of the transaction that has been completed with the order reference and everything. All right, so now let's go back. So next aspect is the jobs area. For jobs, we're able to see one job opportunity has been posted. It was posted on December 13. And so if you want to indicate your interest, you just type something here. And then you simply upload your CV as well, a document as the CV. And this was posted by Ernest Ampama. So someone has applied for it. Now coming to the user's profile, the user is able to keep track of connections, groups, and mentorships. The user is able to also make changes to upload profile photos, set a new bio, um, and save the bio. So it now becomes part of the person's bio. The person is able to view his groups here as well, and then make a new post. This person's. Yep. So we just click to post it. And now this shows not only in the feed, but also in the person's personal. So you see it appears here as a new post. Now coming back to the profile, we'll be able to see the person's okay, so now list item. So create events and list item. Create events simply enables the person to create and upload their own events. That's if there's something happening that you'd like others to know of. List the product. This is where a person is basically able to upload product details as well. And here, if the person wants to verify, remember we mentioned that the person needs to verify. So the verification page is going to take directly from the details that the person mentioned entered earlier. So it's going to submit a request for verification, which will be handled by an administrator. So also building an academic profile. This okay. So person is going to all right. So now that that has been done, we're going to sign in as an administrator and also um make these approvals. So I'm going to log out as this individual right here. And then I'm going to sign in as an administrator. So as the administrator, see, we're able to see all the posts. So let's just like it. Now let's go to the connection. So we received two connections. So this was from a different user. And this is from Michael that we just created. So if once doing this, we're able to chat with Michael. Michael too is also able to chat on his side. So us. And users are not able to chat with each other unless the one whom the request was sent to accepts the request. So let's go to profiles and look at some of the things that the admin is able to do. So great. So we come to alumni verification approval and we see Michael Ansong's uh, request to be verified. So once we approve it for Michael, we will go back and sign in as Michael and see what he's able to see now in terms of groups. Now, this person is also an admin for a school. So if he's able to be able to post and make, do interact with this platform as a university, the person just comes here and switches. And this is because as an administrator, your credentials are also used to sign in to the university. But to make things easier, you don't have to sign out and sign into the university's portal. You can easily just come here and switch and act either as university, HSC University, for example, or you can act as the individual. So that's basically how this happens. All these are administrative controls. Alumni verification for submitting the verification, admin verifying alumni, so to approve of this, making manually creating groups as well. So this person is also able to create a group manually for a specific university. Okay. This user is actually a global admin, and we'll look at that in a second. So now coming here is the global admin panel. Gets to keep track first of all the other like some data on metrics on all the things that have been posted so far. There are no pending verifications, so that's okay because we've approved them. Now, these are the university admins. We're able to suspend some people's admin rights and remove them as well. But then we're also able to assign admin rights to individuals. And we can also indicate whether we want to make them like regular admins, or that's a university admin, or a super admin, that is an administrator of the entire program platform. Same for universities, we're able to either add a new university over here or click here to edit details. So we're able to add additional courses to a university's catalog of courses as well. So the Department of Business Administration. So we just click to complete this. So when we come to universities and then click to edit, we get to see that it forms part. Yeah, business administration right over here. So recent users, this is a list of all the users who happen to be on this platform. So if we click view, it will just take us to their profiles. Then again, if we click suspend, that person will be taken off the platform for some time. Yes. And this page, this is just to show you what it would look like on Ansong's side when he's been approved and when he's been added to a group. So when I come and click enroll in groups, because he indicated that he was part of HSC University, he's been added to two groups, class 2021 and class 2027. Okay, so now his groups that he belongs to have appeared. He's able to view messages that were sent prior to him joining. So he can also contribute to this. Yeah, so that's basically how this works on his behalf. Yes, so he's been approved. He's been able to join, and now he has one connection, and that connection is coming from this place, his connection with Ernest Ampoma Benefo. Yes. So that's just about it. I'm logging out. Thank you so much for watching.